You could do damage. If you got it, it ain't a question.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. To my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and to my OGs, you guys are welcome to another video. Thank you for coming back. So guys, previously I made a video on house hunting in Abuja. If you've not seen that video, I highly recommend you should go see that video, especially if you're based in Abuja. If you are looking forward to renting an apartment in Abuja, I think you should just go and see that video. You can pause this one, go and watch that one and come back, or you can watch this one after this one, then you go back to watch that one. It's on my channel, guys. So today I'm showing you guys empty apartments in Abuja, a room apartment tour. Is it correct? Yes, one room apartment tour, or will I say self-contained tour, guys. House hunting in Abuja is something else. The house rent, the price, guy, is another thing, guys. So today I'm showing you guys one bedroom apartment in Abuja, what it looks like, what you should expect, and all that. I'm just basically doing a tour about it. So if this sounds like a video you are interested in, please keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, give me a huge thumbs up, and leave a comment, guys. So guys, in the one room apartment, I'll be showing you the room, the bedroom, the kitchen, everything inside. Let's just start the video. Yeah, let's get into the video now. Okay, so guys, this is the kitchen area. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. If you are still watching and you're not yet subscribed, please, this is an opportunity to subscribe to my channel. I have tons of content to post on YouTube, so I think you should subscribe to my channel now so you don't get to miss any content I upload. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll be ending this video here. Please do well to share my videos, leave a comment, guys. I love seeing your comments. Leave comments, give me a huge thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Okay, any other thing? I don't think so, guys. You guys should give me videos suggestion. Suggest the video you would like to see on my channel, and I will sure create that video for you guys. Okay, leave some suggestion comment section. Maybe house tour, in some particular part of Abuja. I will sure do that for you guys. Okay, yeah guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.